Hi, I am the host of this show, Cooking with a Dog.
こんにちは。今日はたこ焼きを作ります。
Okay, let's have my chef prepare for the ingredients. Dice up the boiled octopus into a half-inch pieces. Chop the benishoga, which is pickled ginger, into fine pieces. Cut the long green onions into 4 pieces. Chop them into fine pieces. Toast the dried pink baby shrimps until aromatic. Crumble the shrimps when they are cool enough to handle. Let's make vinegar sauce. Bring water to a boil and turn off the stove. Add granulated kombu dashi and bonito dashi. Add soy sauce and vinegar. Dissolve all the condiments in hot water well. Next, let's make takoyaki batter. Crack the egg into a bowl and beat it well. Add icy water. Be careful not to drop ice cubes. Add granulated bonito dashi, kombu dashi, soy sauce, and salt. Dissolve all the condiments in the mixture well. Let's add flour to the egg mixture. Sift 1/3 of soft wheat flour into the bowl. Immerse soft wheat flour in the egg mixture and mix lightly. Repeat the same procedure 2 more times and whisk the mixture just enough to get rid of pockets of flour. Okay, let's cook takoyaki. Turn on the stove and grease a takoyaki pan. Drop a bit of batter and check if the pan is hot enough. Fill half spherical holes with the takoyaki batter until they are 80% full. Add a diced octopus in each half spherical hole. Sprinkle tenkasu, which is tempura scraps, benishoga, and dried pink baby shrimps. Fill up the holes with the takoyaki batter just enough to overflow. Finally, add long green onion on top of the batter. When the batter around the holes is cooked, separate each takoyaki with a bamboo skewer. Rotate each takoyaki bowl vertically by 90 degrees and spill the batter into the hole. Rotate takoyaki by 90 degrees again and adjust the shape into a bowl. Keep rotating the takoyaki bowls to cook uniformly. Cook until the takoyaki bowls rotate with a light touch and they all have a uniform golden brown color. Serve 8 takoyaki bowls on a plate and put okonomiyaki sauce on them. Sprinkle aonori, dried bonito flakes, and long green onions. Finally, put mayonnaise on them. Here is a vinegar sauce with a long green onion to dip plain takoyaki. Crispy surface of takoyaki comes with many toppings. Here is the inside of takoyaki bowl.
中トロトロで美味しい。
You can also choose your favorite fillings. It might be difficult to find some of the ingredients, but I hope you try it yourself. Good luck in the kitchen.